Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got another TMG trailer rolling out of the shop today. Now, this is going to my man, Craig Y, all the way out in California. We're about to load it up on the trailer, ship it out there to him. Guys, we do ship all across the country. Hey, we ship all across the world, all right? But let's check out Craig's rig here before it ships out. Now, like I said, it is on our single axle trailer. Now this is, guys, we have a lot of different trailer packages. We got our standard package, which has got a 2,000 pound independent suspension under it. This is our next step up. So we've got a 3,500 pound standard axle there, no brakes on this trailer. And what that does, gives us a little more room, because as you can see, Craig's kind of loaded this trailer up. We'll start up front here. We do have a storage box. We've got a propane tank up here. This rig does have a propane assist in the firebox. We'll check that out, but we got storage up here. Now here's a good little option that Craig added here that not a lot of people think about: a fire extinguisher. All right, so we got a fire extinguisher mounted down here. Guys, I hope you never have a fire, but if you do, it's nice. Have a little peace of mind here ready to go. We got another little more storage up here. Now he did upgrade to our stainless steel front shelf here, did a 6-inch long shelf there for him. We'll open this bad boy up. Now this is our Heritage 48. So that's 48 inches wide. It's a 24-inch pipe. This is a reverse flow cooker here. So we got removable reverse flow plates down there. You got your bottom and top rack. Got his complimentary fire poker in there. We did get our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there. And guys, we do have a little deal on the stack here to lock it down while you're going down the road. That way it's not flopping around. Come around to our hot box here. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. Okay, that's why we did that. Now, what's great about this hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoker. So you can be running 2 different temperatures at once. You can get direct fire in there as well. So really versatile option there. Come around on the back here. We got a couple personalized touches here from Mr. Craig. We've got to cut his custom logo out of his side shelf here. So this shelf folds up, just a little extra platform here to set stuff on. Folds back down. It does have a latch on it to latch it while you're going down the road. Open up the firebox here. Now this is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel. Y'all can look in there and see he's got his fire starter in there, propane fire starter. It's a pretty slick little setup. Ash clean out down here. We do have the regulator for that fire starter right here, so it's real easy to reach in there, light it while you're adjusting your regulator there. Now on the back here, we always like putting a little wood storage on the back right next to the firebox, guys. It just makes sense. But now Craig has added a stainless steel prep top here. So fold that up, get to all your wood, latch it back down. You got a big prep top here, prep off of, serve off of. And up next here, we have added a 48-inch Santa Maria grill. Guys, we love these Santa Maria grills. They're fun to cook on, draw a crowd, draw attention. Obviously you got your 2 front doors here to tend your fire. Really badass heavy duty angle iron, cook great here. Now we're trying to make stuff simple, but extremely heavy, okay? We've got a spare tire up at the front. Guys, y'all know the deal. You don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire. So now that is Craig's TMG trailer build. We got the Heritage 48, the Santa Maria grill, propane assist. She is just loaded up just right. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.